Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to be reviewing the Pangu 11 jailbreak for iOS 11.3.1 and iOS 11.4. Hey there, so what is up everyone? In this video we're going to be reviewing the Pangu 11 jailbreak. I made a video a few days ago about Jailbreak 11.3.1. So I kind of explained and went into detail on why these jailbreak videos that are out right now are just complete scams. But I decided to make a further video and actually do the process of the jailbreak myself and show you guys exactly why it doesn't work and why it's a scam. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you on my phone all these steps and show you that it does not work. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright everyone, so here right in front of us we have another video claiming to jailbreak iOS 11.3.1 and now iOS 11.4, as you can see there. It's the same scam with Pangu11.mobi. So I'm going to do it on my phone just to try it out. I'm already 100% sure it's not going to work because, I know how these people work. It's just fraud. But I'm going to do it on my phone and try it out, so that you guys can see that it doesn't work. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. So we got to open up the Safari. Here in the Safari, we're going to go to the website that it says here. It's pangu11.mobi. There you go. It already comes up because I've been to it before. So let's hit go. Okay, there we go. So here it's just a video showing supposedly that it's working. Here it's explaining to you how it works, that you can't just download the cydia app directly. You have to download a third-party app which will bring supposedly the cydia app inside. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So let's click right here, download the apps. So this right here is going to take us to another link here where we're going to have the link. So supposedly this link right here is the one that's going to take you to the injected app that has cydia inside. So let's go ahead and click it. It's going to open up the App Store. You're going to hit open. All right, so takes us to the App Store here. So this is the app. Supposedly it might take you to a different app. So this is supposedly the app that has cydia injected inside. So let's go ahead and download it. So they say that if it takes you to another website and it doesn't take you directly to the App Store, to keep trying until it takes you to the App Store to an app. So there you go. I downloaded the app. Then what they explain is to leave the app open for 30 seconds or more. But I'm going to take it a step further. I'm even going to go ahead and sign up for this. So try it free, just so you guys don't have any doubts. So there you go. I signed up. My purchase was successful. So I purchased the app. And the seconds are counting, so it should be like 15 seconds now, maybe 20. I'm a premium member now. Awesome. Let's continue to leave the app open for, like they say, 30 seconds. All right. I'm not sure how, and this is a iPhone 7 Plus, but it's same thing for any iPhone. What matters is the iOS. All right, so I think the 30 seconds should be done now. Let's click on this X over here. So I'm still here in the app. All right, so the 30 seconds should definitely be done by now. So what they say now is to turn the phone off and then power it back on once it's off. And then once you turn the phone on now, it's supposed to, after it shows the Apple logo, it's supposed to then show the jailbreak sign. All right, so it looks like my phone is off now. I'm going to go ahead and power it back on. There we go. and it did not show no jailbreak signs of any type, so the jailbreak did not work. It did not go through. It's not gonna go through. There's that app that I downloaded that now they're gonna start charging me a monthly fee for it, and there is no Cydia anywhere to be seen. It did not show nothing. What I believe is that the people that are advertising this Pangu site, what they're doing is they're doing some kind of affiliate marketing with these apps that you download from the App Store that pay them, like this one that I just downloaded, that pay the people that advertise this for downloading the apps and for using it for 30 seconds. And then if you purchase it like me, they probably get paid even more money. So yeah, as you can see, it did not work. Here's the app. It's still there. Let's install the profile. Let's see what happens now. Let's take it a step further. BetterNet would like to send you notifications. Sure, allow. Connect. I'm doing my best to connect. I'm not gonna rate you. There you go. So it looks like it's connected. It's showing some kind of VPN thing up here. So yeah, let's leave it connected here for 30 seconds. It's connected, so I'm gonna leave it connected. Restore purchase, use your premium account. I'm not sure what the benefit of using this app is. Anyways. So almost 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam, that was 30 seconds. Let's try it again. Let's power it off. Whoop. All right, so the phone is off. Let's power back on. And once again, no jailbreak signal of any type anywhere. So it's not doing what the video supposedly says that it's doing. There's the app still. Let's see. No Cydia anywhere to be found. Nowhere. No Cydia. Scam. And I'm still gonna be charged for that app because I subscribed to it. And I'm a premium member now. All right, everyone. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out. For now, once a real jailbreak is released and tested, I will let you guys know first thing. So that's it for this video. Please give it a like. I will see you around in the next one. Peace.